Okay, so we're back. And after some research, I looked at a couple YouTube videos and I found out this is actually called a warded lock. It does not have pins and tumblers in it. It's not a pin and tumbler lock. And to make a key for these, what I did was I took the keys that came with it and I just cut off the pieces of metal that stop it from turning in the lock. And basically this is a skeleton key. That's pretty much the only way to open these locks, and they're actually less secure than pin and tumbler locks because you don't have to actually pick them. You can just use a skeleton key like this and it should be able to unlock pretty much any one of these locks. So Nico here is going to show you that the skeleton key can open this lock no problem. And it should be able to open this one as well by the same company. So if you can open that up, Nico, and give it a try with the skeleton key. Brand new out of the package.
Here it is.
All right, let's see if it fits. The keyway should be the same.
Wait. Does not want to open.
Oh no!
And wait, just to see on this one, it opens fine. On this one,
It fits inside, but it does not want to open. So that key is going to probably take some more modification to make it fit.
very
Now
weird.
what I'm suspecting is that it's the tip of this, because I've seen the skeleton keys that they sell specifically for these locks. And it's probably a piece of metal either on this side or that side that's
See, look.
causing it not to open.
Here,
Ah,
this
you
is
see?
bigger than
There
here.
you go.
I just noticed that.
So let's do that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're back again. So here's the modified key.
Used to be a bit bigger than that on the tip here. It used to be around this.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see if it
So
works.
now it should do the trick.
Well, it's turning. It's just... Oh, it's because I need to put it further in. It's like coming out. The key is like, it comes out a little bit. Oh, there we go. There go the keys.
Good job.
You have to kind of twist with it a little bit because it wants to like come out. I don't know why.
And it still opens the other lock too?
It should.
Same thing on that one. You'll have to, oh, so it's not locked.
Do you have to like... There we go. It works. So it opens these two locks.
Nice.
They're the same type of lock, just a little difference on the key.
The trick to these locks is that there's no pins and there's no keyway really. There's just a little mechanism at the end. You just have to turn it, and it opens the latch. So that's why these skeleton keys work. Now these ones might not work in all warded locks because they might not be long enough, and the shape of the keyway might make it so it doesn't fit. But there's a good chance it probably would open a bunch of other warded locks as well. So it's not very complicated to make a skeleton key from the factory keys for these locks. And now what we have
Are these two locks?
another two locks that we bought that are inexpensive. Bought them from the hardware store this time.
And
They're about $5 or $6 a piece.
this one, so when we got home, we just saw right here, Master Lock Company, which means they had an in collaboration with the Master Lock Company, which is one of the easiest locks we have at our house to pick. So this is going to be fun. Scissors.
Yeah, I bought the lock because it said Fortress on it, and I thought that was another brand name. Fortress. It sounded intimidating, so...
It comes with the keys outside of here, probably because it comes outside of the shackle because this right here is not big enough to fit in the shackle.
Wow,
so
that's a big shackle.
it's a huge shackle. So here it is.
Wow. Nice.
I don't even know how to open.
Got to pull really hard. There we go.
It looks... Let's see if the keys work in it. They should.
Hope so.
If they don't work, then that's a big problem. Yeah, they work perfectly. Oh.
Is that rubber on the shackle?
Yeah. It's a cover to keep the metal from rusting, I guess. So it's pretty smart so far until we take this and we fit it in.
The hardest part of picking this lock is going to be getting that rubber thing out of the way. So we just opened the package. Brand new lock. Never been opened before. Let's see how hard it is to pick.
Or just gonna go back up. It goes down, but you touch it, it doesn't go back up. It just starts to when you put it back. You have to do this separately. Oh, there we go. Or like that. Here you can spin the lock, but it doesn't come up. If I release tension, then it will go back. Which is
You have to do it a few times.
Okay, so you can very calmly release the tension, and I'll get some pins will go back. So you can take it out while the pins hopefully don't go back in. It's harder than I thought. I'll let my dad try now.
Sure. All right, let's see. Is it in there?
Yeah. You don't like you to go back up. You have to get it manually. Or as much as we got. Which could happen. So you can take a different scraper.
Yeah, I'm not trying to flip it. This one's too big. The tension bar is too big as well. The tension's way lower. Let's see a different break.
This only has two things on it. Which we used to pick a different lock with. But now my dad uses it a manual way. Yeah, the tension bar might be too big.
This one's really easier. Well, I'm safe for master lock. I'm press.
Yes. It's because you wouldn't think that master lock would just be so hard. But so it is a fortress lock. It's just that they had it in collaboration with master to make this lock right here.
Oh.
Oh. There we go.
There it goes. Raked open.
Which took surprisingly long for...
So that's that. Next, I'll let you try the other. This is a Klassen, whatever that is. At least this one doesn't make any claims about being secure or anything special. It just says padlock with a 5-year warranty. That's it. Even on the back, there's nothing written.
It's just the thing.
So I'm anxious to see how hard this one's going to be.
Last time...
Oh, the keys are stuck on this one.
Yep. Last time we opened the small secure locks and they were extremely easy.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm practicing on a small secure lock and it's very easy. This one doesn't look too hard. Looks like the same brand as that one. Because look, the patterns there and at the top too. And this one, it has patterns at the bottom and the top. And
they do look similar.
That one's just bigger. I'll try the big break.
Oh, gee, that was hard.
Well, there goes the lock.
Wow, that was picked open in seconds.
It's like
brand new from the
secure lock.
package.
I didn't even have to force.
Jeez.
The keys work.
Do it again.
You have to check if the tension bar is in the right place too. Sick. Oh. Well, the first time, oh, there goes the lock again. The first time was a little bit easier. You have to be at a certain angle with this.
Even the second time didn't take very long.
Good thing it says nothing about it being secure, like those secure locks, which, if you ask me, were not secure.
It's a good thing they didn't write anything on this one. There you go. 3 times in a row, no problem.
It's
wow.
very insecure.
I wouldn't use that lock on anything.
Yeah. I was thinking at school.
Want to try this one again?
Yeah. I was thinking at school today, like, if I could bring a lock to put on my locker.
Don't use that one.
And I was going to make it funny by putting that small secure lock over there.
Oh, jeez.
But everybody knows that watches our videos that it's actually
not very secure.
Not at all, actually. In the last video, I said I wouldn't recommend you putting this on your shed. How insecure it was. And I was practicing with it. And, like, it would open straight up. I opened it.
There you go. Good job.
So, if you're looking to put a lock on your shed, I would definitely recommend this one.
Yeah.
And not any of these.
This one is really hard. I practiced on this one for hours to single pin pick it because raking has not worked. I think we did get it open by raking a couple times.
2, 3 times.
I could try it again. Here. See if the rake method works.
Usually you use this rake right here.
This one here. I know it a bit better now, this lock, so.
You might be able to use it with the rake, but